In this video, we will explore simple techniques for success through positive affirmations. Positive affirmations are powerful statements that can help reprogram your subconscious mind and replace negative thoughts with positive ones. By consciously choosing uplifting and motivating words, you can shift your mindset towards success and abundance. Through repetition and visualization, affirmations become deeply ingrained in your subconscious, guiding your thoughts, beliefs, and actions towards your desired goals. Creating a routine for reciting affirmations daily further reinforces their effectiveness. Whether you want to improve your confidence, achieve career growth, or enhance relationships, positive affirmations can be a transformative tool. Start implementing these simple techniques today and witness positive changes unfold in your life. Positive affirmations are powerful statements that can help reprogram your subconscious mind and replace negative thoughts with positive ones. Our subconscious mind plays a crucial role in shaping our beliefs and behaviors, and it often holds limiting beliefs and negative thought patterns. By consciously repeating positive affirmations, we can overwrite these negative patterns and replace them with empowering thoughts. These affirmations act as a new programming language for our mind, guiding us towards a more positive and abundant mindset. Through practice and consistency, positive affirmations have the potential to transform our self-perception, boost self-confidence, and attract success in various areas of life. Embrace the power of positive affirmations and witness the tremendous impact they can have on your mental state and overall well-being. To get started with positive affirmations, it's important to identify areas of your life where you want to bring about positive change. Take a moment to reflect on what aspects of your life you would like to improve or transform. It could be related to your health, relationships, career, or personal growth. Once you have identified these areas, you can create specific and meaningful affirmations that are tailored to your goals. These affirmations should be positive, present tense, and focused on what you want to manifest. By crafting affirmations that resonate with your desires and aspirations, you are more likely to ignite the power of affirmations and unleash their potential for positive change. Start by choosing affirmations that truly align with your intentions and watch as they shape your reality. Repetition and visualization are key components in harnessing the power of positive affirmations. Repeating your affirmations regularly is crucial for them to have a lasting impact. By consistently reciting your affirmations, you are reinforcing the positive messages in your subconscious mind, making them more believable and ingrained. Moreover, visualization can amplify the effectiveness of affirmations. When you visualize yourself already achieving your goals while reciting the affirmations, you are creating a vivid mental image of your desired outcome. This combination of repetitive affirmations and visualization sends a clear message to your subconscious mind, aligning your thoughts, beliefs, and actions towards the manifestation of your goals. Embrace the practice of repetition and visualization to supercharge the power of positive affirmations and accelerate your journey towards success. Incorporating positive affirmations into your daily routine is essential for making them a habit and maximizing their impact. It's important to find a time and place that works for you, whether it's in the morning, during a break, or before going to bed. Consistency is key when it comes to affirmations, so aim to repeat your chosen affirmations consistently. By doing so, you are reinforcing the positive messages and programming them into your subconscious mind. Making affirmations a regular part of your routine can also help you stay focused, motivated, and aligned with your goals throughout the day. Embrace the power of routine and watch as positive affirmations become a transformative force in your life.